Okay, stop right there. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get hyper-qualified traffic and build a massive subscribers list using tried and tested methods so you can summon hordes of visitors rushing to your websites. If you're sick and tired of trying methods that don't work, if you're struggling to get visitors, let alone targeted customers, to buy your product or service, then good news. This is going to be the last course on traffic you will ever need. How would you like to, for a change, transform your dead ghost town sites and bring them to life? Because with what I'm about to show you, if it's abused, is going to send your server into meltdown. That would be a problem, but a good problem for a change. But seriously, would you like to be able to wield such a potent weapon? Because finally, you get to get droves of visitors beating to the doors of your e-commerce stores, waving their credit cards frantically as they line up to buy from you. And for the first time, all the products you've been buying up until now make sense. This is the missing puzzle. Now I've got a question for you. What is stopping you from getting massive traffic? I have a sneaky suspicion this isn't the first time you're looking for a way to make money. And if you've been trying for a long time, it gets downright frustrating. All the more so demoralizing when you see others who have cracked the code, and they don't necessarily appear to be much smarter than you are. You wonder, did they get lucky, and when will it ever be my turn? Well, your turn is about to come, and the wait is over. You see, I came up with this traffic course that reveals easy-to-implement step-by-step methods to generating the traffic you desperately need for your websites or online business. When I first started my business online, I was a newbie, just like everyone else. I did what nearly everyone at my level did. I tried learning by reading free articles, joining forums, attending seminars. Long story short, that didn't work out so well for me. So I decided to try something else different. I'm going to sound flip for saying this, but I decided to stop listening to so-called gurus because I gathered that there are a lot of self-proclaimed experts in the market, and the more I tuned in, the more noise I picked up, and the more confused I became. So I took the path less traveled. I tried experimenting different ways at my own expense. It wasn't fun at all, and frankly, many times I felt like giving up. But after going through countless trial and error, investing tons of hours and my own money, I finally cracked the code. My website traffic increased manifold. I went from zero for the longest time to building my subscribers list at warp speed. Hordes of buyers rushing to my sales pages to buy from me. It was at that moment I realized it wasn't my fault I couldn't succeed the first time. It's because most of the methods and systems out there are built around loopholes or short-term solutions. And even with the ones that do, they are often short-lived money-making tactics. For years, I had subscribed to all these rehashed methods in the market that promised no results. And when I figured I needed to take matters into my own hands, I arrived at the revelation I had been seeking out. Once I discovered the secret to massive traffic, everything just clicked together. It was the last piece of the puzzle that was missing for my entire business, and it probably is for you too. That's why I created Big Traffic Secrets. This ultimate go-to master course took several months to create and at my expense, but it was totally worth it. The 60-part full video course will show you ways to generate highly targeted website traffic using free and paid methods, and build a strong following of loyal subscribers with minimal effort. Unlike most courses out there that focus on just one or two methods, this giant training course covers 11. It's too long to mention, but to give you an idea, you'll discover things like how to tap into Facebook via free and paid traffic, the only way to ace it with solo ads, sneaky little ways to build your subscriber list through forums without spamming, how to leverage off warm traffic and get people to send you traffic. I call this OPT, other people's traffic. I also show you how to convert all your social media accounts into a beacon to attract targeted visitors. There is more covered, but that's just scratching the surface. The cool part? You don't have to necessarily implement everything in this course to start seeing results. But of course, I present to you everything, so you get to choose whichever top 2 or 3 methods you like and run with it. Putting a price tag on this course was a challenge. I had spent thousands of dollars learning and mastering the art and science of traffic generation, and a lot more from my hard-earned savings through trial and error. There are workshops and seminars charging $2,500 for high-level mastermind courses like this one. So if I show you multiple traffic generation methods for less than half the price, which is $1,000, this would definitely be best value for your money. If all this did was to help you solve your traffic generation troubles or start getting subscribers and sales on overdrive, will it be worth it? I know it would. Well, here's the good news. I am not going to charge you $1,000. Not $497, not $100 even, not anywhere near that at all. In fact, I want you to scroll down this video right now and check out for yourself just how little I am letting go big traffic secrets for. You will be shocked. Why am I doing this? Simple. Traffic generation remains one of the biggest problems all business owners face, especially when they're just starting out. And I know what it's like struggling to get eyeballs to my site. If you'll let me help you with that, that would be great. I'm going to take on all the risks and give you my 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back for the next 30 days. You can check out my course risk-free, so you have nothing to lose and nothing to worry about. But you need to act now. I reserve the right to increase the price anytime I see fit, so there is no promise it will remain at rock bottom price forever. Act now, click on the button below. Now imagine this. You power up your laptop and you see an avalanche of visitors rushing to your websites. You notice hordes of buyers voting you with their credit cards every time you launch a new product. Plus, you get to expand your subscribers list at lightning speed. Best of all, you get to do all that with only half the effort and time needed. Incredible, right? That's just a little preview of what Big Traffic Secrets can do for you. The power to master the skill of traffic generation at will. It's now within your grasp, and a world of endless possibilities await. So click on the order button below right now, and you'll be taken to the secure order form. You see, it doesn't matter to me if you get this or not. I'll still be going on my daily business and hitting my financial goals with absolute certainty, whether you're in or not. However, without my help, you'll always be working harder than you really need to. I know it sounds kind of harsh, but I think you'll agree it's true. After all, you wouldn't have stayed this long if you weren't desperate enough to change your situation, right? You know what to do. Order now, risk-free.